Hello, this is the final one. This is the final puzzle box in the Find a Bag series. You know, I don't know something. It's the biggest. Smiley face. Yeah, I couldn't make this nice because I had to use the technique and I finished it today. So yeah. Here is compared this first one. This is much bigger, and with this it's a little taller, but if you click this, it's the same. Sorry. Here is more smooth, and here's Max. So to open it, can't push anywhere. May see this hinge, and if you want to open it, you slide like that, and you can see it's a hole here, maybe. So you need to find a key. You can push anywhere except here, back here. See this? It's kind of a button. So when you push, this will come out, and on that is this key. Where there? So push that back. And you see these two holes. Not in that holes, but that hole, but in that. And when you push, you can pull it out. And if you wanna try now, go ahead, but nothing will happen. So where's the last key? Well, you're gonna like that, and then it will come out with which reminds of this new shape. Check it out if you're not already done. So now you can push that in, and it is a cool part because you push it in, push this in, push it close here, but the prize will come out there. So let me take out the key, and here down is the back, and this is scare feeling. No, it's just the red label. Yeah, hope you like it. Yeah, made them not too much, but yeah, you had to put it in kind of now, and now you can. So yeah, but